How to add voiceover to your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to add a voiceover to your video, go to CapCut. Now upload a new video from here, or you can just choose from your projects. Like me, I already have this draft. Now click, and this is the page that you can edit. Now go down here, click on edit option, this one, and if you didn't find the voice right here, go back and click on the audio option. Click on audio. Now you will find the record option. Click on it and you will be able to record your voice on the video easily and fast, and it's so easy and professional. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.